Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for coming by. If you're new here, welcome, be part of the family. If you're returning, welcome back and thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of dark underarms. I know. For us ladies, it's a big deal, especially when you want to wear that sleeveless dress or sleeveless top and you're thinking, oh my goodness, my underarms. I'm going to give you a solution to that, and it is easy. You're going to use very few ingredients. Maybe you have the ingredients already in the kit. So I'm going to show you the products that we need, and mostly these ingredients you can find them in your kitchen, in your pantry, in your fridge. So it's something that it's easy to do. You can do it at the comfort of your house. So first we will need lemon. It's a lightening agent. It's good for the face. I have a video of lemon and turmeric mask, which is absolutely good for the skin. So these are two lightening agents. Turmeric is like one of those ingredients that I would not miss in the house because it comes in handy. You can use it in so many things, for my soups, curries, and like it's that ingredient that you need every single day in your house. You're going to need honey. If you have organic, the better. The next ingredient that we're going to need is bicarbonate of soda. This is bicarbonate of soda that I use for baking, for cleaning, for so many things. This is also a really good product. I use it a lot here in the house, and that's why I buy like the big pack, because it's also an amazing product. Now the next product that we will need is yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt, but if you don't have yogurt, you can also use whipping cream. Heavy whipping cream does the magic as well.
Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. Didn't know what hit me when we started. I was shaking electric, trying to stay calm and collected. On that summer afternoon, you were shining like a gem in the sunlight. We were out until midnight, yeah. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? I said, girl, you read my mind. Oh, yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love, Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know. This feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love, Cupid.
Now that we have our paste, like this is the consistency. Let me show you. So that's the consistency you will need. If it's too light, it's going to like drip down and it will mess up your clothes. We know that turmeric is highly stainable for your nails, for your clothes, for the surfaces where you're using. If it's a kitchen tabletop, you need to make sure that it's covered, or you really clean it as soon as it drips down. So, and that's why I even used a top that, you know, I don't mind even if it gets stained, and also a sleeveless and a dark color. So this is the consistency we need. So I am going to use this brush. I use this brush with a lot of my masks. In fact, it has a tint, a yellow kind of shade, so hence that. So that's turmeric for you. It can be very stainable, and I'm going to just place it on the saucer so that it's easy to work with. We have currently, and we are going to use our brush. So I want just to show you this is how my underarms look, and this one is a bit more dark. I don't know why, but that's how it is. And make sure don't use this paste just before shaving or waxing or something, because it can really react. So just make sure that you can do it after, just to avoid the reaction. So I would like to show you, if you can see, this is how my underarm looks. Let me just bring it closer. Guys, this is day 3. So guys, let me know if you have tried this before. It is amazing. Let us know your experience after doing this DIY. Until next time, I'll see you guys.